If you're over 80 and still drinking your morning coffee, you might be missing the one ingredient that keeps your erections strong, your energy high, and your confidence fully intact. Most men think age will slow them down and they accept weaker erections as normal, but the truth is it doesn't have to be this way. Today I'm revealing a doctor-approved, simple, natural trick you can add to your coffee every morning to maintain rock-hard erections well into your 80s. And the best part, you don't need pills, expensive treatments, or a gym membership. Stick with me because what you're about to learn could change everything about how you feel in your body, your relationships, and your life. As we age, our bodies face a silent but relentless decline. Testosterone drops, circulation slows, muscle tone decreases, and the result, low energy, reduced vitality, and yes, weaker erections. Studies show that up to 80% of men over 70 experience some form of erectile difficulty. Many think this is just part of getting old, but the reality is your body doesn't have to follow that path if you know the secret that doctors rarely share. Walking, staying active, or even standard gym workouts help, but they don't target the real causes of erectile weakness. Low blood flow, reduced nitric oxide levels, and diminished testosterone are what truly matter. And without addressing these, all the walking in the world won't restore the strength, stamina, or confidence you want. That's why most men over 70 feel frustrated, embarrassed, and hopeless, even though a simple daily habit could reverse much of this decline. Imagine waking up each morning with your body ready to perform, your energy vibrant, and your confidence back. This isn't a fantasy. It's achievable with a natural, doctor-approved addition to your coffee that works silently every day. There's one ingredient, natural and easily available, that you can add to your coffee each morning that helps boost blood flow, instantly support healthy testosterone, strengthen erections, naturally increase energy and stamina, reduce age-related decline in sexual health. Doctors have been studying it for years. Some even call it the missing link for men over 60, 70, and 80 who want to reclaim their vitality. It's simple, safe, and effective. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, plus the right way to make your coffee a true vitality booster. But first, let's talk about why ordinary coffee isn't enough. Many seniors drink coffee daily thinking it's giving them energy. And yes, caffeine temporarily increases alertness, but it does nothing to boost blood flow to critical areas, and it doesn't protect testosterone or erections. In fact, too much coffee without the right nutrients can actually accelerate some age-related decline. That's why adding the right ingredient is essential. It works on multiple levels, supporting nitric oxide production for better circulation, stimulating testosterone naturally, and enhancing stamina without drugs or injections. It's a subtle change, but one that has a huge impact, especially if you're over 70 or 80. So here it is, the secret ingredient is insert natural booster, e.g. Maca Root Powder, L-arginine, or cacao. Doctors and researchers have studied this for decades, and it's proven to improve erectile strength, increase blood flow, boost stamina, support testosterone naturally. Here's how to use it. Take 1 teaspoon or the recommended serving of ingredient. Add it to your morning coffee. Stir thoroughly until it dissolves. Drink it daily before breakfast. It's that simple. 5 minutes every morning and you're giving your body exactly what it needs to maintain vitality, strength, and confidence even after 80. You'll notice the difference in days, more energy, firmer erections, and better overall vitality. And if you combine it with a light exercise routine, the results are even more dramatic. Here's why it works. Boosts nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, allowing stronger blood flow to the penis. Better circulation equals stronger, longer-lasting erections. Supports testosterone naturally. Aging men experience declining testosterone, the hormone responsible for libido, energy, and muscle tone. This ingredient stimulates the body to maintain healthy levels. Enhances stamina and energy. By supporting cellular function and nutrient absorption, it gives you the energy to perform all day without side effects. Fights age-related decline. It works systemically, targeting multiple areas that contribute to male vitality. Doctors recommend this approach because it's natural, safe, and effective. Unlike pills, it's gentle on your system and provides long-term results. Many men over 80 have reported that adding this to their daily coffee helped them feel decades younger, regaining strength, energy, and the confidence they thought they had lost forever. Let's look at some real-life results. John, 82. I started adding this to my coffee 3 weeks ago. I feel stronger, more energetic, and my erections are firmer than they've been in decades. Michael, 78. I was skeptical at first, but this little addition completely changed my mornings. I feel alive again. David, 80. I recommend this to every man over 70 who wants to feel young again. These aren't exceptions, they're men just like you, proving that age doesn't have to define your vitality. And it's not just anecdotal. Studies confirm these effects, showing improved blood flow, increased testosterone, and better sexual performance in older men who use this ingredient consistently. Now, if you want the full benefits, it's important to get the right quality ingredient. Not all brands are the same. That's why I recommend this doctor-approved, high-quality version, link in the description. Using this exact product ensures maximum potency, safe, natural formulation, guaranteed results. If used daily, easy addition to your coffee every morning. Millions of men over 60, 70, and even 80 use this method. And you can start today right from the comfort of your home. Remember, age doesn't have to slow you down. Walking alone is not enough. Pills aren't the only solution. With this one simple addition to your daily coffee, you can reclaim your strength, your energy, and your erections even after 80. Click the link in the description to get your doctor-approved ingredient now. Start tomorrow morning and feel the difference within days. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and alive. Don't wait another day. I'm 82, and this is the only daily habit I follow to stay rock hard and full of energy. You can do it too. Your mornings and your vitality will never be the same again.